Good afternoon. I'm Maricel Halili. This is One News Now. The Health Department reports more than 4,000 new COVID-19 infections in the country. That brings the total number of cases to nearly 158,000, some 83,000 of which are considered active. The virus killed over 150 people in the past 24 hours, pushing the national death toll to 2,600. This is the first time that the number of deaths in a day reached over 100 since July 18. Meanwhile, more than 72,000 have gotten better from the disease, with more than 800 new recoveries today. The government's COVID-19 task force continues to visit localities to assess their action plan against the virus. For the latest, Camille Samontes reporting to us live from San Pablo, Laguna. Camille, where did the task force swing by this time?
Maricel, the National Task Force Against COVID-19 visited Laguna earlier today to check in on the province's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Interior Department sounded the alarm on the increasing transmission of the virus in factories and industrial zones in Cabuyao. According to the city's health office, around 80% of the active cases in the locality came from the working age group. DILG Undersecretary Jonathan Malaya called on private companies to provide isolation facilities for their infected employees. NTF COVID-19 Deputy Chief Implementer Vince Dizon also appealed to businesses to be transparent in reporting COVID-19 numbers to concerned agencies. The Trade and Labor Departments has set penalties for firms found not compliant with the prescribed safety protocols. Meanwhile, Malaya pointed out Cabuyao's weak enforcement of contact tracing. The LGU has designated only one contact tracing team per barangay. The DILG is now coordinating with the local police to assist the LGU in ramping up their contact tracing efforts. Let's hear what the task force officials had to say.
Ang aming pakiusap nga sa mga companies, kung may nag-positive dyan, huwag nyo munang papauwiin. Mag-set up kayo ng sarili nyong quarantine facility para mas madali yung koordinasyon natin with the local government.
Sila yung nag-test, pero nung lumabas sa mga resulta, hindi sila nag-coordinate sa local government units. Na dapat sila ang unang-unang nakakaalam kung merong nagpo-positibo sa kanilang lugar. So yun po yung naging pagkukulang ng iba sa ating mga private companies and industrial zones.
Maricel, Secretary Dizon also denied rumors that the government is planning to place Laguna, Cavite, and Rizal under the ECQ. He said the public should just wait for President Duterte to announce new quarantine qualifications in the said areas. Maricel?
Thank you, Camille Samonte, reporting live from Laguna. Here are other stories we're keeping our eyes on. Malacanang commemorates the 75th anniversary of the end of World War II in the Pacific. In a statement, spokesperson Harry Roque says Filipinos should reflect on the words found in the UN Charter, which call for continuing international peace and security. The Trade and Labor Departments, in a joint memo circular, are urging businesses to provide shuttle services for their employees and isolation facilities if they turn out positive of COVID-19. The memo also mandates the wearing of face shields and prohibits common canteens and smoking areas if physical distancing cannot be observed. And Quezon City Representative Precious Hipolito Castelo wants taxes removed on gadgets, such as smartphones, in light of DepEd's push for blended learning. Castelo says the move will reduce the cost of the devices, making them affordable to poor learners and teachers. For more updates, follow News 5, the Philippine Star, and Business World Online. Visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. You can also catch One News on the Signal Play app. Register for a free account now at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. I'm Maricel Halili. We are One News.